Hello everyone, this is Rashid Khan from LPM Public School, Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. Student of class 7 will have to study on the adaptation of the animal in the different climates. So there are, you can say, there are the different type of adaptation or climate change you have found. Now, in that cases, the different type of animal can survive in different criteria, different areas. Here, we have to go through the climate of different areas or different processes. You can show the presence of a specific feature, which enables an animal or a plant to live in a particular habitat. That is called its adaptation. So we will have to move on first what adaptation. What is the adaptation? Adaptation is what? It is a presence of a specific feature which enables special features which enables animal which enables animal enables an animal which enables an animals, an animal or plant, which enables an animal or plant to live in a particular area, in a particular habitat. Is called adaptation. So this is about adaptation. Now we could see there are the different type of climate in our surroundings. Many of the plants and animals can survive in a different type of climatic changes are the reason. Here we can show the temporary adaptation and permanent adaptation. What are these temporary and permanent adaptation? Temporary adaptation. The adaptation, or you can say the adaptation attained for a short period of a time. The adaptation attained for a short period of a time. That is called temporary adaptation. The attainment of the, or you can say the adaptation attains. When the adaptation attains for a very short period of a time for living, this is called temporary adaptation. And permanent adaptation is what? Permanent adaptation. Adaptations that attain for a long period of a time for living, this one is called permanent adaptation. Like when there is chameleon change their body's color according to the environment where there is required and get its prey with a very easy way. But the human being is evolved from the apes. So this is not the temporary permanent, this is the permanent adaptation. Why? Because this could not being changed for some time, it is for the lifetime. So we can say it is a permanent adaptation. Adaptation of animal in hot climate. Adaptation of the animals in hot climate. Hot climate, right? In a hot climate, that means when we are having our topic about the hot climate, so we'll have to first suppose about a desert. That is right. You can see the desert an example of the hot climate. Why? Because there is a scanty rainfalls happen, there is a lack of moisture, and always it faces a whole year of full phases of the sun's rays. On that reason we can say it is an extreme condition, due to why it receives very less rainfall and large amount of sun's rays, sunlight. So plant and animal have to adopt the such condensed conditions, and we can say the animal found in such regions hide in a shady places in the daylight and come out at the night. This the way to avoid the high temperature in the atmosphere. These animals are called nocturnal animals. The animals which can adopt themselves in the day of a light and come back again into the night for their survival of a light. So these are such type of animals are called nocturnal animals. First of all, here is a camel. Example of animal which survive in the such region. Camel is what? It is called the ship of the desert. Why it is called as a ship of desert? Because it can run, it can move away for a long period of a time having without food and water. Most important features are there are different features. What are these? These are the features. First one, it has broad feet. It has broad feet, helping to walk easily. Helping it to walk easily on the soft side, on the soft sand without thinking. First one, the next one is can store food. It can store food. In its humps. Can store water can store water. In its blood. In its blood. This healthy tube. This healthy tube stay without water. Stay without food or water. Food or water for many days. For many days. At its weight. There are the features. Some of the other features are it has a thick leaves. It has thick leaves. Thick leaves which enable it to eat quickly. Eat quickly. Desert plants. Without pain. Without pain. It has long eyelashes. It has long eyelashes that keep them the sand out. Okay, shut keys. And shut keys. No streets. Keep outside. Sand out. It has a long legs. Has long legs. And keep the sand speeds. Away from its body. Away from its body. to side. Can see by throwing why throwing can see by walking. Side straw. Side straw. There's an idea. So this is the important features of camels that have to survive in such conditions. Now, adaptation of animal in tropical regions. What are the different adaptation of the animals in the tropical region? Why we call the tropical region having faces more of the amount of water throughout the year, because there are a heavy rainfall happens, and due to the rainfall it produces the humid condition. But another condition, the hot condition, is also available here. For why? Because there is sun's rays falls directly, so it can be very hot and humid type of a region where there is a tropical area found. Here we can say in case of a summer, the its temperature rises about to the 40 degree, but it will not get back to the minus or anything else, just it reaches up to only the 15% at least in even after a very cold conditions in a winter season. So you can say that day and night are equal to one another, and rest of the other we will discuss on later. Thank you for being here. Make sure that you are having, if you have the doubt and queries, so contact me on the comment box. Write comment to the comment.